3, 2, 1.
Who is Captain Quint's first mate on the Orca? The answer is D. Matt Hooper. For which university did fictional character Forrest Gump play college football, earning All-American honors? The answer is D. University of Alabama. On what other planet of the solar system have scientists observed a phenomenon similar to snow? The answer is A. Venus. Who was the first president of North Vietnam? The answer is A. Ho Chi Minh. What does the acronym QED stand for in mathematics? The answer is D. Quantum electrodynamics. Which Greek hero had the Nemean lion as his first and greatest foe? The answer is A. Hercules. Which term refers to a graph with no loops and exactly one path between any two vertices? The answer is B. Tree. Who directed the Godfather films? The answer is A. Francis Ford Coppola. Which animal has the longest neck? The answer is A. Giraffe. Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt's adopted child, Zahara Marley Jolie Pitt, is from what country? The answer is C. Ethiopia. Who was the first human to walk in space? The answer is B. Yuri Gagarin. What is the primary function of a capacitor? The answer is C. Storage of electric charge. In Season 2 of Buffy the Vampire Slayer, Spike hired the Order of Taraka to assassinate Buffy. How can you recognize a member of the Order? The answer is B. By a ring they wear. Which best determines the number of wolves that can live in an area? The answer is D. The amount of food available in the area. Jonathan Tunick is among the few people who have won an Oscar, an Emmy, a Tony, and a Grammy, although he not so well known. Which best describes his work? The answer is B. He is a music composer and arranger. In humans, a zygote has how many chromosomes? The answer is B. 46. Which beetle was born with the surname Richards? The answer is A. Ringo Starr. 4 solid balls, each with a different mass, are moving at the same speed. Which ball would require the most force to stop its motion? The answer is D. Ball with a mass of 20 kg. What actor portrays God in the movie Bruce Almighty? The answer is A. Morgan Freeman. What is the name of the spell that multiplies objects in the Harry Potter books? The answer is A. Gemino. According to the Frasier series, where is Daphne from? The answer is C. Manchester. Which country has the highest mountain in the world? The answer is A. Nepal. Which of these fabrics is known for its water-resistant quality? The answer is D. Wool. What will increase as the animal eats more food? The answer is C. Belly size. What is the first game in the Call of Duty series? The answer is D. Call of Duty: Infinite Warfare. What was the name of the Muggle school Harry was to attend? The answer is B. Stonewall High. What type of doctor is Bob on the Newhart Show? The answer is D. Psychologist. What book is known as the Bible of Business? The answer is A. Think and Grow Rich. In which type of rock is the fossil imprint of a fern leaf most likely to be found? The answer is C. Sedimentary. Which vehicle was first to break the sound barrier? The answer is B. Space Shuttle. What muscles are used to pump water over the gills? The answer is C. Jaws and pharynx. What are the only amphibians without legs? The answer is A. Caecilians. In season 1 of the hit television show One Day at a Time, Anne Romano had a serious boyfriend played by actor Richard Masur. What was his name on the show? The answer is D. David Kane. Oliver Stone's 1999 movie Any Given Sunday is about a fictional team competing in what sport? The answer is A. American football. Which continent has the least number of countries? The answer is D. Antarctica. Which author created Sherlock Holmes? The answer is B. Arthur Conan Doyle. Which physical constant determines the strength of gravitational interaction between two bodies? The answer is C. Gravitational constant. Which of the following is most likely to make a person shiver? The answer is C. Being in a fridge. Who was the Norse god associated with wisdom and literature? The answer is A. Odin. Which character is known as the hero of time in The Legend of Zelda: Ocarina of Time? The answer is A. Link. When was Elvis born? The answer is D. January 8, 1935. One substance found on Earth is more stable as an elemental gas than as part of a solid compound. As a result, this substance is very abundant in the atmosphere. Which substance exhibits these traits? The answer is C. Nitrogen. Which statement best describes why a calcium-fortified juice would advertise that it is good for growing children? The answer is A. Calcium helps the growth of bones. Which vehicle is capable of traveling at the speed of sound? The answer is B. Concorde. What is the term for a drug that can reverse the effects of another drug? The answer is A. Antidote. What do you call something that controls the uptake of water or another substance in the environment in order to maintain constant internal conditions? The answer is C. Osmoregulators. If a tree fell down and dried with a hole in it, which of these would likely be in it? The answer is C. A striped tail nut eater. What is the common name for potassium nitrate? The answer is A. Saltpeter. Which one of Charlie's girls was nicknamed Sadie Meek Lutz? The answer is C. Susan Atkins. What cycle is most directly affected by the combustion of fossil fuels?